Morning children, back to your classroom. Today we have the class chapter 2nd. Already we have finished the first chapter, and the second chapter we have the no tuitions for me. This is a story about a girl who says that she did not take any tuitions or coaching for remaining for the last 90% marks on the last 10th CBSE exam. Okay, she is a Amrita Kaur ma'am. The build-up to the Indian Certificate of Secondary Education means ICSE board examination had started by the end of the year 2007. I'm a student at Yadavintra Public School, Patiala, and I wanted to study on my own. All this while, I was focused on securing at least 90% marks. The build-up to the Indian Certificate of Secondary Education ICSE board examination had started by the end of the year of 2007. 2007 में ICSE की examination start किया है, and she is a student at Yadavintra Public School, Patiala. It's located in Patiala, and she wants to learn by herself. She don't want to go for any tuition, she don't want to go for any coaching center, and she herself made a promise that she will be learning by herself and get 90% marks. I took the recently held ICSE 2008 board examination, and I did not take any tuitions or coaching, etc. And 2008 she had an examination in ICSE board, and she says that she did not take any tuition, any coaching for the exams, and it gave me a lot of satisfaction that I could grapple with the problems in various subjects, particularly mathematics, and could crack them without any help from outside sources. She says she herself learned the ICSE board examination, and she did not go anywhere, especially for the tuition for mathematics. Nowadays all the students, they need the tuition, special tuition for mathematics or science or any English subjects. So here she says that she doesn't want any particular caring or particular coaching for her studies. She herself ready to study herself and get a good approach mark for her success. When I started off with my preparation, the biggest question for me was how to tackle with the enormous syllabus from where to begin. When I started off with my preparation, when we started her preparation for the exam, the biggest question was her that how to tackle with me enormous, it means very large. Enormous syllabus means very large syllabus was there. One chapter will be having 1 or 2, 3 pages. So she just getting the confused how could she start the syllabus and where could it from begin. My mother just asked me to not to lose my cool, to keep my focus on the textbooks and be systematic. मम्मी ने क्या बोला है, बेटा आप कुछ ना कुछ टेंशन मत करो, बी कूल and textbook reading करके use the textbook and read and find out the answer and the solution and learn by yourself. These pointers guided me throughout my preparation. I paid full attention in class and revised whatever was being taught me once I came back home. क्लास में टीचर्स कैसे कैसे पढ़ाई किया है वो घर पे वापस आने के बाद में जैसे भी रिपीट वापस किया है. I also revised the previous 10 years papers thoroughly twice. देखो 10 साल के पहले CBSE बोर्ड की पेपर, ICSE बोर्ड की पेपर, क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्यूशन लेके आ गए, वो भी घर पे बैठ के सॉल्यूशन किया है। I was more comfortable preparing late in the night and would catch up on my sleep during the day. In order to relax, I would listen to FM radio shows, and I definitely did not miss out on my two favorite TV programs. She says that she did not miss her favorite TV channels, and she used to hear the FM radio as she wants to hear it. One more I just had to read. When I started off with my preparation, the biggest question for me was how to tackle with the enormous syllabus, from where to begin. My mother just asked me to not to lose my cool, to keep my focus on the textbooks and be systematic. These pointers guided me throughout my preparation. I paid full attention in class and revised whatever was being taught me to once I came back home. I also revised the previous 10 years' papers thoroughly twice. I was more comfortable